The second amazing way that fiber contributes to weight loss is something called energy density. I like to call it calorie density. A calorie is a unit of energy producing potential that is contained in food and it's released upon oxidation by the body. We use calories for energy. High calorie density foods pack a lot of calories, and low calorie density foods have fewer calories in the same volume of food. This means with low calorie density foods, you can eat a lot of food without a lot of calories. So for example, this peach has 51 calories, okay? You could eat a whole bowl of peaches to equal a chocolate bar, which has 230 calories. So that's a lot to eat in comparison in volume of food. Bite for bite, ounce for ounce, you will gain more weight from eating the chocolate bar than the same volume of peaches. Now, I'm not saying with Fiber35 that you can always eat peaches and never have chocolate. Remember, everything in moderation. What I am saying, though, is high fiber foods generally have low calorie density, meaning you can eat a high volume meal with a low amount of calories and you feel fuller faster and longer. I like to call this the big food factor. With high fiber foods, you can eat a big amount of food with a little amount of calories.